Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your login password on the KuCoin crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address or your phone number and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to change your login password, just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then just tap on the security option and you will now see the login password at the very beginning. Just tap on this button and you will now be prompted to enter your old password followed by your desired new password. Just type in your current password within the very first box and then enter your desired new password underneath. You will need to enter this password once again for confirmation, so type it in once again within the confirm password box. Once it is done, you can tap on the submit button and now your login password has successfully been changed within your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your login password on the KuCoin application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.